What's up, everybody? Today we're going to talk about ADEX clubs and maces right there. As you can see, we have everything they offer, from the club to the mace, the adjustable mace, to the one I just got is the ARC. Okay, it's the ADEX ARC. This thing is awesome. It's right in between the grip. You can see differences on the grip. The handle is a lot thicker, okay? And it's a combination, it's kind of in between. So the length of this, you can see it's set over here. And you see the club next door to it, right there. I'm gonna pan up, and there's the mace. All right, so there, you can see that right there. I absolutely love the quality. This might be my favorite tool. I believe you can go up to 30 pounds or so. And this, you spin that off, and they're extra, super long thread right here for safety. There you go. You see that right there? They're made super high quality. All right. First thing you notice is when they come in the box right over there, they are packaged incredibly well. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more. These are interlocking, which is great, and they come in 5 pound, I believe 2.5. See, they're wrapped up nice and good here. Really taken care of. Of course, put stickers. So here you go, right out of the pack. I love the paint. I love the coating of these, especially the handles. So let's add a little bit more. So on there, let's toss another one on there, and they all work together. So these weights add up to that. You can just stick them, they go back and forth, they're compatible. Spin that on, there you go. Now I got a bigger one. I think it's awesome. You can see that right there. There you go. So anyway, ADEX clubs,